Welcome to a short tutorial on JGate 3.0 SearchBuilder. At the outset, let us explore some use cases. The first use case deals with discovering articles related to the antioxidant effects of vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Synonymous keywords can be indicated in the search by using or search. The query can be, thus, framed as vitamin C or ascorbic acid, to include synonymous keywords for vitamin C. Thus, the query that we will need to provide to the system shall be vitamin C or ascorbic acid and free radicals. Notice the grouping of the synonyms. Now, let us understand how to use SearchBuilder for this use case. Click on the hamburger menu and select SearchBuilder. SearchBuilder provides numerous fields to direct the search against. The user can select the field and type in the appropriate search term. For our use case, in the criteria field, we shall choose title of keyword abstract. We shall enter vitamin C or ascorbic acid in the first field. This way, we group the synonymous keywords together in one field. You will notice that as you type, the query editor is reflecting the field name and the corresponding search term. We shall then select the AND function. We shall now choose title, the keyword abstract as the criteria for the second term. We then enter free radicals in the second field. Now click on search to get the desired results. JGate utilizes a keyword-based search paradigm for scholarly search. A keyword-based search paradigm uses Boolean operators to spell out the association between subject keywords in order to discover the relevant literature. When the user does not specify groupings in the search query, JGate follows the Boolean algebra operator precedence to create the groupings. SearchBuilder provides a query editor to enable the user to specify the groupings of keywords using brackets. Let us revisit the previous use case using SearchBuilder's query editor. We shall use three fields to specify the three subject keywords. In the first field, we select the field name as title of keyword abstract and provide the keyword as vitamin C. We shall then select the OR function. In the second field, we select the field name as title of keyword abstract and provide the keyword as ascorbic acid. We shall then select the AND function. In the third field, we continue to use the title of keyword abstract field and provide the keyword as free radicals. Now, let's focus on the query editor. Since no grouping has been provided by the user, if we run this query, JGate shall use the Boolean algebra operator precedence to create the groupings and fetch the results. In order to avoid this, we can put brackets in the query editor to specify the grouping to JGate. Since our intent is to group the synonymous keywords, we shall place the opening bracket before the field keyword for vitamin C and the closing bracket around the field keyword for ascorbic acid. Now click on search. You will notice that the search results are the same as the previous case where we had grouped the synonymous keywords in a single field. The query editor is hence a powerful tool for specifying the user-intended groupings. The second use case demonstrates the powerful ability of SearchBuilder to search without providing a subject keyword. Here, we are trying to search for articles written by Jennifer Doudna and published between 2005 and 2024. To accomplish this, we select the criteria as author and provide the last name as Doudna and first name as Jennifer. We then select the AND operator. Next, we select the publication year as the criteria for the second field. We enter the year range by typing 2005 in the From field and entering 2024 in the To field. Upon searching, we will be able to retrieve all the articles published by Jennifer Doudna between 2005 and 2024. Thank you for watching this video.